It's a very good morning from Anantapur. It started off pleasantly and likely to get warmer. The IDFC First Bank Duleep Trophy 2024-25. Match 3, day 4, final day, coming to you live from Anantapur. 426 more to win this game. Set a target of 488. Brilliant in the second innings. Pratham Singh getting 100, but Tilak Varma, his 100 was classical and he played a super innings and remained unbeaten. 290-183 lead of 107, then further enhancing their lead with 380 for 3. The standout batter was Tilak Varma. We'll start proceedings from the TV tower end. Gentle loosener.
A spot out. जगह बहुत बेहतर है.
Gone down the track. Take that. I mean business. Just had a couple of sighters and here I go. Ricky Bowie. Nicely stroked. He's a man who doesn't hold back, Ricky Bowie.
भारी किनारा लेकिन all along the ground एक और चौका यश दुबे के पल्ले से आता हुआ.
Nicely on top of the bounce. Maybe feet on the ground for Yash Dubey. Nicely driven, finds the gap. And Ricky Bowie gets to his 50 with a stylish drive. Aggressive, attractive innings from Ricky Bowie.
शतक पूरा किया, वो भी एक गिफ्ट के साथ. इतना ऊपर अगर गेंदबाज गेंदबाजी करेगा तो वो गिफ्ट की तरह होता है किसी भी बल्लेबाज के लिए. बढ़िया पारी खेली अभी तक रिकी बॉय ने. वेल प्लेड रिकी बॉय. कदमों का इस्तेमाल, ये है रिकी बॉय. हवाई फायर रिकी बॉय द्वारा. अंपायर का इशारा 6 रन का.
TV umpire to director. We have an umpire review for run out at the bowler's end. Give me a best side on for run out, please. Yeah, satisfied. The wickets are fairly broken.
Extremely unfortunate, Dubey.
दूर से खेलने की कोशिश की, पढ़ने के बाद बॉल टर्न किया और जाकर एक स्टंप पर लगा. यह है शम्स मोलानी. देवदत्त पडिक्कल अभी आ ही थे. अजीबो गरीब शॉट खेलने की कोशिश की.
जबरदस्त शॉट. हाथ खोलने का मौका दिया और ऐसी कमजोर बॉल को सही नसीहत देते हैं श्रेयस अय्यर. बेहतरीन शॉट. बैकफुट पर गए आसानी से, लेकिन 4 रन.
Shot, excellent. We saw one glorious back foot punch in the previous over from Shreyas Iyer. 1 becomes 2, 2 becomes 3, but the stylish Shreyas Iyer continues in his merry ways.
Runs away easily to the boundary. Pulls out the reverse. He asks the gully to come in front.
बहुत आगे डाल दी, बहुत आगे डाल दी. इतनी बढ़िया गेंदबाजी करते करते आपने एक गिफ्ट दे दिया श्रेयस अय्यर को.
Bowled in. He was looking something hairy-fairy. He was initial movement on the front foot. The ball was fuller. He decided to play an aggressive shot off the back foot, and he's being castled. Shreyas Iyer. That's pulled away. Ricky Bowie is picking up the length quickly enough, and he hits the ball hard, does Ricky Bowie. There it is, using his feet and going straight down the ground. Playing the sweep shot to good effect is Ricky Bowie, and he will get a boundary. Down the ground, not surprising. Sanju Samson makes it look so easy rather. Lofted shot.
And you will see him do this quite often against the spinners. Gets the distance, another 6. Safely negotiated. 190 for 4, India D at lunch on day 4. And India D need 298 runs more to win this game outright. Runs have come as well in this session. 128 of them, and only 3 wickets fell in this session. This is how this game has panned out. 290 is what India A got in the first innings, and they bowled out India D for 183, and then notched up 380 for 3 in the second innings when they declared the innings, and they've now reduced India D to 190 for 4, and they're in sight of an outright victory here. Both these teams are yet to pick up points, and this is a good chance for India A here to notch up 6 points against the name.
लंच के बाद पहली बॉल, तनुष कोट्यान.
Now the ground, bottom man comes off the bat for Sanju Samson. Looking to charge the bowler straight away. Will pick up an easy 3. Wasn't the greatest of shots. Having said that, he has come to the pitch of the ball.
इस बार कदमों का इस्तेमाल, फील्डर नहीं है वहां, गैप के अंदर. अंपायर के इशारे का इंतजार और 6 रन.
Slashed and opened the face of the bat as he slashed the ball. Sanju Samson.
Turn and gone. Mulani picks up the big wicket of Sanju Samson.
बेहतरीन शॉट और लेंथ बॉल थी, बैक फुट पर गए, कट किया, 4 रन.
And that's pulled away, played over the infield, goes over the top, and that will be it. Brilliant effort this from Ricky Bui. Runs have been hard to come by on the surface, and he gets 100 in the 4th innings. Terrific effort this from Ricky Bui. He's celebrating.
और इसी के साथ एक पहली सफलता मिलती हुई कोटियान को. निराश होंगे सारांश अपने शॉट से.
Lovely stroke. Saurav Kumar quick to pounce on the short one from Shams Mulani. No point in running. Oh, just drop shot. Riyan Parag is claiming it. Umpire will definitely.
Yeah, satisfied. It's a fair catch.
और बहुत बढ़िया पकड़ा. 113 रन बनाए रिकी बॉय ने.
Given by the bowlers so far. Very wrong line. Shams Mulani to the left-hander. Oh, punished again.
लेग स्टंप दे दिया है. निश्चित रूप से DRS लेने जा रहे हैं.
TV umpire to director, we have a players review for LBW. Given out, pitching in line, impact in line, wickets hitting, original decision was out. We can stay with our original decision of out.
So Saurav Kumar has to depart. Played the big shot, so be it. Harshdeep gets off the mark with a huge 6. And it's the reverse sweep played to very good effect by Harshit Rana.
ये बेहतर, बिल्कुल सही. 6 रन.
Another one as he steps out and gets to the pitch of the ball and frees his arms.
ओ हवा में. और इसी की जरूरत थी. हम इसी की चर्चा कर रहे थे बार-बार. एक बार फिर बड़ा हिट लगाने के चक्कर में आउट हुए.
Yeah, something onto it. Umpire taking his time. He just hands over the cap to Riyan Parag.
इंडिया ए ने ये मैच 186 रनों से जीत लिया।
Story of the match. The IDFC First Bank Duleep Trophy, match number 3. India A put it to bat, got a reasonably good score considering they were tottering at one stage. Also bowled exceptionally well India A to get a lead of 107. Khalil and Akib doing a fine job with the ball. Then the second innings batted brilliantly. Couple of hundreds. Pratham Singh and Tilak Verma exhibited good talent, good skills, and played all round the dial. India D, beg your pardon, bowled out for 301, winning by 186 runs.